Hey guys, welcome back to iConcept Phones. Today we're checking out the Neewer NL-192AI, an ultra-thin LED video light that promises great portability and high color accuracy. It looks sleek and compact, but is it actually worth the investment? Let's dive right in. Let's start with what comes in the box. First, you'll find the user manual, pretty standard but always good to have. Next is the cold shoe adapter for mounting the panel to your camera or light stand. After that, we get a DC power adapter. And finally, we see the newer NL-192AI LED Light panel. It's impressively thin right out of the box, which makes it super portable and easy to slip into your gear bag. The build quality is surprisingly solid considering its slim design. The matte black finish gives it a professional look, and the panel feels sturdy despite being lightweight. There's no noticeable flexing, and all the buttons and dials feel responsive. The edges are smooth, and the back has an LCD screen or display uh, showing important settings such as battery level, brightness, and color temperature. While it's lightweight enough to carry around easily, it still feels durable enough to withstand regular use. However, since it's mostly made of plastic, extra care should be taken to avoid dropping it. One of the most important aspects of an video light is its brightness and overall light quality. The newer NL-192AI features a 192 LEDs split evenly between warm and cool tones, allowing for a color temperature adjustment range from 3200K to 5600K. This versatility makes it suitable for different lighting environments, whether you need warm indoor lighting or cooler daylight tones. In terms of brightness, this light can reach up to 2400 lux at a distance of around 0.5 meters and around 660 lux at 1 meter. This is sufficient for close-up shots, interviews, and product videography, but it's not meant to replace a large, high-output studio light. In real-life world usage, the brightness levels are impressive for such a compact panel, making it a reliable light source for smaller setups. The color rendering is another highlight, boosting a CRI of 97 plus. This means colors appear natural on camera without strange color shifts or unnatural skin tones. Whether filming people or products, accurate color representation is crucial, and this panel performs well in that regard. A major advantage of this light is its built-in 8000 mAh lithium battery. This removes the hassle of external battery packs, keeping the setup simple and compact. At full brightness, the battery provides around 90 minutes of continuous use, which should be enough for most filming sessions. If lower brightness levels are used, the battery can last significantly longer. When it comes to recharging, the included power adapter allows for a full charge in about 2 hours. Having a built-in battery is convenient, but for extended shoots, having the ability to use external power source would be a nice addition. Unfortunately, this model doesn't support replaceable NPF batteries, which some other lights in this range offer. In terms of usability, the newer NL-192AI is straightforward to operate. The back panel has an LCD display showing real-time adjustments for brightness and color temperature. The dials and buttons are tactile, making on-the-fly adjustments easy, even in darker environments. The light can be mounted using the included cold shoe adapter, allowing it to attach directly to a camera or a tripod. It also tilts 90 degrees, which is useful for different lighting angles. However, one notable downside is the lack of wireless control. Many modern LED panels include app-based or remote functionality for adjusting settings from a distance, and this would have been a great feature to have. For solo filmmakers or YouTubers, manually adjusting the settings could be a bit convenient. Affordability is one of the strong points of the newer NL-192AI. At around $70, it is priced competitively, making it accessible for beginners and budget-conscious filmmakers. While it may not have all the advanced features of premium lights, it still delivers solid performance for its price point. So, who should consider buying the newer NL-192AI? If you need a compact, budget-friendly LED panel for YouTube videos, interviews, or product photography, this is a great option. It's lightweight, easy to use, and delivers solid brightness and color accuracy for its size. The built-in battery is convenient, and the overall build quality is decent for the price. However, for professionals who need advanced features like wireless control, higher output, or external battery compatibility, there are better options available like the newer RGB 480. This light is best suited for creators who need a portable and affordable LED panel for basic video and photography needs. Overall, it's a great starter light or a secondary fill light for more advanced setups. If this review helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another piece of equipment you'd like me to check out. See you in the next video.